How to use Google Translate for language translation. Google Translate is a powerful tool that can bridge language barriers and help you communicate with the world. This guide will show you how to use Google Translate on your computer or phone to translate text, speech, images, and even websites. Head over to translate.google.com on the web browser. Download the Google Translate app from the App Store or Google Play Store for on-the-go translation needs. At the top of the screen, select the language of the text you want to translate and the language you want to translate into. Google Translate detects languages automatically in most cases, but you can manually select them if needed. Type the text you want to translate into the left-hand box. Google Translate supports a vast number of languages. The translated text will appear in the right-hand box. Tap the microphone icon and speak the text you want to translate. Google Translate still converts your speech to text and translates it into your chosen language, and this is great for real-time conversations. Tap the camera icon and point your camera at text on a physical object. Google Translate will overlay the translated text on the image itself. Now, for website translation, you can enter a website URL into the text box, and Google Translate will display a translated version of the entire web page in your chosen language. So head over to translate.google.com or download the app and start translating. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.